How's your day, Brooke?
It was pretty good, except I have these great mugs that I made, and I have no way to ship them to my customers.
I think I know a guy.
Packaging Corporation America, this is Ray. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm Brooke from Orefield Middle School, and I made some cool What's So Cool About Manufacturing mugs, and I need to ship them to my customers ASAP.
No problem, Brooke. We're the fastest in the state, but the problem is I have no trucks until this afternoon. Can you come down and pick them up?
Absolutely. Be right down.
So this is the cup.
Yep.
We'll be able to take care of you. I'm going to start you with the design department across the street.
Brittany, here's my mug. What kind of box are you going to design for me?
A regular slotted container.
So how big does it need to be?
Well, let's measure it and find out. So it'll be about 5 in that dimension, 3 1/4 wide, 4 tall. And it will give you your drawing. And here you are.
So it was back across the street to see how our box will come to life.
These rolls look pretty heavy. How do you move them?
They're actually very heavy. Some of these rolls are 7,000 pounds, and we have a giant clamp truck that moves them.
From the clamp truck, the paper heads off to be made into corrugate.
So, Dave, it's pretty noisy here. What part of the box process are we doing?
This is the part where we actually make the corrugate before it's a box. We have what's called a top liner, a medium, which is the actual corrugate part, and a bottom liner, which we glue together with starch. The corrugation in the board is where you get your strength.
The corrugate is then transported down the conveyor line where it goes to be made into a box. That's where we met Josh to tell us more.
So, Josh, what's behind us?
This is the fabricating end of the plant where we make the boxes and send them out to the customers. The corrugated goes through, ink goes on, cutouts go into the board, and then we have print plates that put plates and impressions on the boxes, and then it goes out.
Wow, such an involved process. PCA makes it look so easy.
Hey Brooke, do you want to go see your boxes? I think they're ready.
Of course.
Here's your box, Brooke. Hot off the press.
Thank you. Let's see if it fits. Awesome. Thank you, PCA. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.